Jai Baba.
So you're calling in from Mehrabad.
Yes, I just reached Mehrabad a couple of hours ago. So, yes, I'm happy to be here after a long gap of about 11 months, I should say.
Oh, it's a long time, yeah.
Yeah. So, just went to Baba's Samadhi. Uh, though it was closed, of course, we could have darshan from outside from the threshold, and yeah, and then we'll be here till Christmas.
Oh, fabulous.
All right. I apologize for not being able to be there last week. I was little know, unwell, and as I promised, I could not complete the document that I was supposed to do with various versions of the Gujarati Aarti with the syllables and other conventions. So I am here with Ward Parks. Uh, I have got the document with me. I'll be reviewing it with him so that whatever we do is uh, is done in the right way. So I'll be reviewing the transliteration of the Gujarati Aarti with him, and then I'll email that to all of you uh, in maybe a couple of days. So this morning, we can probably do the pronunciation of the Adi Sachetana Aarti by Bhauji. I do not have the document ready with me, but I will have it ready for the next week, where we can go over the document word by word and have the pronunciation again. But if you all prefer that we should have the document and we do the session with that, probably we can do it next week. But if you think that we can still have a recording of the pronunciation only today, we can also do that.
I think, yes, both are useful.
Okay. All right. Thank you for bearing with me. With uh, you know, there's there's been a disclaimer with me always that these working days are a little uncertain for me. Weekends are fine. Weekends, there's no issue. But I t- I tend to work late on the weekdays, and there is some issue or other. So I apologize for my irregularity and not being able to meet the promise that I made. But Baba willing, we will do it, and I'm on it. I think let's do it well, because I don't want to do it in a different format. Like Bod was saying to me that Bujave, where we use WAY, is not the standard. So he still thinks that we should use VE, right? That's the standard for doing transliteration. So we will sort that out and see that we will have one good document that can stay forever. All right. So let's begin with the uh, Adi Sachetana Arti. I will have a PPT ready with me by next week, where we can go through the history of how the Arti was made and all that. But I can give a brief introduction about the Arti, and most of us would be knowing that. I'm sure you all know how the Arti came up. It was Bauji who wrote the Arti. Uh, I think in the 60s. It was in the 60s, and Baba had asked Manik Hatidaru from Ahmednagar, who was the son of Rustum Kaka Hatidaru, who used to sing and who used to compose melodies for most of Bauji's songs and ghazals. Baba had asked Manik, that is Rustum's son, to make the melody for the Aarti. And Baba would often check with him, did you do it? And he would sing in some rag, in some melody. Baba wouldn't like it. He would say, no, this is not up to the mark. Uh, do something else. And then after so many trials, Baba was very unhappy that he was not happy with the melody that was composed. And then Baba tells to Manik that you say that you are a composer and you have all these instruments with you, and if you do not come to me next time with the melody that I would approve, you have to you will have to pack all your instruments and throw in the Sina River in Ahmednagar. Then he gets he feels very bad that he was not able to please Baba with with the melody that he would like. And then he keeps thinking, he's very sad, and he then talks to his father, who is Rustum Kaka, who was a very good composer. And then he Rustum tells Manik, his son, that Baba had asked you to compose this melody, so I am not supposed to help you out. So, and one night, he starts thinking, writing different melodies. But then, he has all his instruments around him in his room, on the floor. And then while he was doing that, he fell asleep, and he gets a dream in which Baba, in which he hears it, hears a beautiful melody, in the dream. And then he wakes up after that immediately, and then uh, he starts writing those notes in his notebook, right? Whatever he heard, in the dream. And then he's so happy that he got something good that he thinks was much better than what he composed. Then he goes to Baba the next day, and Baba asks him, okay, what about it? Did you do something? Then he sings this arti in this melody. Baba said, that's perfect. And then Rustum thanks Baba for what he has given. And then Baba says, yes, it was me who gave you this melody. So that's how the arti came up. And I will get more details and facts about this arti. And it was never sung during Baba's time, and it was only after Baba dropped his body, was the arti was sung. Um, and we will start uh, with the pronunciation, and I can probably sing it once. And then, as I said, we'll have the document with me with the transliteration, and we'll go word by word in our next week session. So these are and the arti is called Adi Sachetana Shanti Niketan, written by Bhauji. And this is a couplet before the arti that is not sung at the arti usually, uh, but but uh, but um, it is sung whenever we sing this arti at any other time. So अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण, उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान। आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, नमो ब्रह्म आवो मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। प्रेम दीप में ही ये जलाऊं, प्रेम दीप में ही ये जलाऊं, निभड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं, निभड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं, अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं, अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं, तुम मुझको सरसाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। जीवन की हर सांस हमारी, जीवन की हर सांस हमारी, बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी, बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी, हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी, हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी, तुम करुणा बरसाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। बने आरती जीवन मेरा, बने आरती जीवन मेरा, आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, तुम मुझ में छा जाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, नमो ब्रह्म आओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। So should we go with the word-to-word pronunciation without the document? Do you all think that's helpful? And we can repeat it the next week, as I said. But if you all think that's useful, we can go over word to word Whatever
Yes,
pronunciation.
okay, that
Okay.
sounds good. Jai Baba.
Sure. Jai Baba. Just give me 1 second, please. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
हुआ लहर से ही, हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण। हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण। उसकी दैवी अनंतता का, उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान। हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण। उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान। आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन। नमो ब्रह्म आवो मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। प्रेम दीप मैं हिये जलाऊं। प्रेम दीप मैं हिये जलाऊं। निभिड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं। निबिड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं। अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं। अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं। तुम मुझको सरसाओ। तुम मुझको सरसाओ। मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। जीवन की हर सांस हमारी, जीवन की हर सांस हमारी बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी। बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी। हे करुणा कर लीला धारी। हे करुणा कर लीला धारी। तुम करुणा बरसाओ। तुम करुणा बरसाओ। मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। बने आरती जीवन मेरा। बने आरती जीवन मेरा। आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, तुम मुझ में छा जाओ, तुम मुझ में छा जाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, नमो ब्रह्म आओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ, मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। So that's all I had for this week. Any questions or any feedback, any inputs that you all have?
We look forward to the word for word that you will give us. I know you're very busy this week with Amartithi and everything else, your work. So we appreciate this beautiful rendering of the arti by your voice. So lovely. And word for word, slowly reading of it. So this is a great start. Thank you.
May I
Thank you.
add something?
Yes.
First of all, this was just so beautiful. I loved hearing you sing it. It was everything to just be able to see you and listen carefully. And I actually have this little book with words
This
in
is
it.
very good.
Same here.
Following along. But
Yeah.
I'd like to go back to the Gujarati Arti. Last 2 weeks ago, I think I mentioned that I thought I had a copy of the words and the music together, and I actually contacted the person who had it, and she emailed it to me. And so I have it for anyone who may want to have a copy. Now, Angela, you said, were you going to somehow distribute it? Or, I mean, I don't mind if anyone wants to just let me know and I could send it to them.
Yes, definitely.
You would like that?
Yeah.
What I didn't do last time, I just, people were giving me their email, right here. But what if I just put my email in the chat, and if you want a copy, you email me and then I'll return the email with the music attached. Would that be okay?
Sure.
Okay.
And Gopi, were you going to send something about the last 2 or 3 sessions RT? And if
Yes.
so, the best way to do it is just to send it to one of us, to Angela, and she'll disseminate
Sure.
to the rest of us. I
The
guess.
only way I'll disseminate is to maybe put it in a public place, I don't memorize who's here and
Yeah,
have a
true.
list going, so.
Does it make sense to put it in the RT? I mean, in the YouTube video underneath
Yeah.
it? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
As a
sure.
PDF.
Yeah, because
Yeah, as a PDF, that's like a link on our Google Drive or something like that.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
for those who are here, my email is in the chat. So if you want to just copy it and send me a note, I'll get it to you.
Gopi, can you please sing it again? Because you sing it so clearly.
So beautiful.
Yeah,
Sure. I can do it once again.
yeah.
Let me play the Tanpura with it so that हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान.
Gopi, I'm so very sorry. The tambura is interfering with your voice. So if
Okay.
you would take it away from your microphone.
Yeah, I can even turn it off. Yeah,
No, don't
it's
turn
not.
it off. It's lovely, but
Uh-huh.
if it's so close to
Oh,
your
okay.
mic, it interferes. So just put it
Sure.
aside. I know it keeps your tempo.
Sure. Thanks.
I'm so sorry.
Sure. Is it better now?
Yes, better, and start from the beginning.
Yeah. हुआ लहर से ही है जिसकी सृष्टि का निर्माण उसकी दैवी अनंतता का कैसे हो अनुमान. आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन नमो ब्रह्म आओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ. प्रेम दीप मैं ये जलाऊं प्रेम दीप मैं ये जलाऊं निबिड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं निबिड़ अंधेरा मिटता पाऊं अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं अपना सब कुछ तुम्हें चढ़ाऊं तुम मुझको सरसाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ. जीवन की हर सांस हमारी जीवन की हर सांस हमारी बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी बन जाए प्रभु गति तुम्हारी हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी हे करुणा कर लीलाधारी तुम करुणा बरसाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु आरती अपनाओ. बने आरती जीवन मेरा, बने आरती जीवन मेरा, आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, आदि अंत का लय हो घेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, खुले नयन और दिखे सवेरा, तुम मुझ में छा जाओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ। आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, आदि सचेतन शांति निकेतन, नमो ब्रह्म आओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ मेहर प्रभु, आरती अपनाओ। अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय, अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय।
So beautiful.
So yeah, I'll work on the document, and then we can go over word by word along with the meaning and the right transliteration.
Great. Wonderful. We look forward to that.
Yeah, sure.
Gopi, this in the last verse, and it uses Mera. It sounds like Mera's name, and it means my very life. So it's like perfect. Yeah, because
Yes,
Baba said she was his very breath, without
absolutely.
which she could not live. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I love this, Arti. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Baba.
Jai Baba. All right. See you all next week.
Thank
Okay.
Jai
you so
Baba.
much for making the time. We
No
appreciate.
problem. My pleasure.
Thank you so
Enjoy
much.
the Amartithi video production.
Yes, we're
Gopi,
going to record.
Gopi,
Yes,
do you
please.
do you have a minute to sing Gujarat once more? Because I like to sing along muted, so I can.
Mm.
Can you
Okay.
sing it once more? Yeah, Gujarat, Arti.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we
Sure.
shall.
बुझावे नार
That's
You're not muted.
Oops.
बुझावे नार जहलत नी, एकर कुदरत फरमातू, छलागी आश भक्तों ने के बख्शे, नूरे मातू, अया मुर्शद मेहर बाबा, चरण पर तुझ न धरिए सर, खुदा ना जात थी वाके थई बैठो मेहरबान तुझे मालिक हकीकत नो तू आशिक भी ने आरिफ भी तुझे दरियाए वहदत मारे फतनो होई तूफान तू हमो रह रवने ए सालेक बख्श जे ज्ञान ईज़दनु के तू परमात्मा ज्ञानी छेने मो तारे इरफान तू खुदा ना प्रेम नो प्यालो पिलावी मस्त हमने कर छे तुझ पर जान सदके साकिया पी दे पैमा तू हमारी नाव भर दरिए तरावे तो हमें तरिए हमारा ना खुदा ए मेहर बाबा छेनी गे बातू हमारा ना खुदा ए मेहर बाबा छेनी गे बातू बुझावे नार जहलतनी एकर कुदरत ने फरमातू छेलागी आश भक्तों ने के बख्शे नूरे ईमान तू अवतार मेहर बाबा की
Each. Thank you, Gopi. Good.
जय बाबा
Now I'm ready for my day. Yeah, these are incredible tunes, incredible poetry, and just very pleasing to the heart. You know, I think that's what the purpose of Arti is, to just penetrate direct.
Yeah.
So lovely. Thank you so much for your time, Gopi.
My pleasure. It's so Baba-ful to be, in this meeting and singing his aarti, and from that we learn even more, right? So we will be singing, it often, but when we work on it, we actually concentrate on every word. Like Gujarati is very new to me, even because I am from Andhra and that's not my language. And of course, that aarti is Gujarati and it's mostly Urdu and Farsi. But while working on it, we learn even more and even deeper. So that's an opportunity for me as well.
Great. All right, then we will see you. I don't know, next week, the week after, whatever is convenient for you. I'm sure we'll find out through the calendar.
Yeah, in case of any problem, I will let you know, sooner than later, like I did last week. but I think I should be fine next week. I don't have any issue. There's no travel, but I'll be ready with the document, and then we can go over the Adi Sachetana Aarti once again with the word to word translation. And I will also email you, Angela, the Gujarati Aarti's document, the PDF.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
All right, Jai Baba, everyone.
Jai
Jai
Baba,
Baba,
thanks.
Jai
Jai
Baba,
Baba.
Jai Baba.
So beautiful.
Thank you.
I got to go to the store. I'm gonna make cookies.